How to upload landscape video on Instagram Reels. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, at the bottom, you will find the Fin option. Click on this plus option. With that, your gallery will open up. Now, go ahead and select the video that you want to upload in the landscape mode. Make sure you have set this option to the reel. Once you have selected the video, click on Next. Now, click on Next again. From this page, you are able to edit this reel. What you have to do is click on it. Then you have to adjust it in this way. Just set it as landscape mode in this way. Likewise, you can make other necessary changes. At the bottom, you will find different options as text, stickers, music, effects, filters. Once you are done, you can play the video and check. You can see that it's in the landscape mode. Now I can click on next and upload this reel. So this way you are able to upload Instagram Reels on landscape mode. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.